One of the most useful, basically, plugins for jQuery is the jQuery UI. It lets you do all sorts of neat things, and it makes them very easy to do. So I have this sortable stack here that I can use. I have a very simple accordion. Many ways to do an accordion. This is a simple one, and this one reflows text and adds animation. I'm not quite sure where I'd use this one, but I can see the other two here being really useful. So for your assignment, you're going to go to the jQuery user interface site, jQueryUI.com, and you're going to find an interaction you want to use, a widget you want to use, and an effect you want to use. And since I've already done 3, you can't use the ones that I did. So I did color animation, I did draggable, and I did accordion. That leaves the rest of them open. To be able to use it, you're going to need to download, and I recommend that you figure out what you particularly want to use, because you can choose to work with all. And I did this. I actually brought them all in. But if you're doing something production, you can uncheck things, and you can use a theme if you want. I suggest no theme, or you can design a custom theme. You can do this however you want. Play with it, have some fun. And then once you've got this downloaded, you'll open up the folder that it's in, and you will keep everything. They'll give you a sample. Don't just hand in the sample. Put in your own content. It doesn't need to be real. I'm using a lot of lorem ipsum, but you can see that I have not used just their defaults. So once you've built it, then you're going to go to the demos, and for anyone that you want to use, let's say you want to use droppable, you can view the source code, and then you can cut the parts that you need. So you won't grab the whole thing for the HTML page, but you'll need to make sure that you have the appropriate HTML and the script, and you want to make sure you import the script statements. Now, since you have to do 3, you only have to import the script statements once, these 2 top ones, and then under that you'll get the specific script that you want. You should find this to be pretty straightforward to use. I found this to be a very easy site that has lots of really good things that you can use with it. So play with it a bit. You need 1 interaction, 1 widget, and 1 effect, and not the 3 that I did in my sample, which is sortable, accordion, and the animate.